keep stacking the wins. Keep stacking the wins. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Over time, you're gonna go from here to here. Just keep stacking them more. What's up, everybody? Good morning. We're heading to kickboxing training. It's 5:50. Just letting the car warm up. It's about 8 minutes away, so man, this could be a good day. We're gonna go to an exhibition today, conference, Photonics West, for work. That'll be fun. Yeah. All right. Keep you guys updated. What's up, guys? Back from kickboxing. Felt good. It's a good day. Felt good. It's gonna be a good day. I'm exhausted. We just did kettlebell swings and kicks. So 50 kettlebell swings, 10 kicks, and then you just keep going down. So 49 kettlebell swings, then 10 kicks, 48, 10 kicks, etc., etc. I made it all the way to 34 sets done, or 34 kicks, or 34 swings, 10 kicks, but then class was over because we only have an hour. Next time my goal is to finish. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna finish. Well, we started late because I went there about 15 minutes or 10 minutes late. We started 15 minutes late probably, so maybe. But yeah, gotta go to that conference today and work on some slides, and then we're gonna take our cold shower. Now we're on day 38. Oh man, getting up there. It's 38 days since we've made videos. Alrighty, I'm gonna eat some grapes, some breakfast, and then get to it. Good morning, everybody. Cold shower. I think it's 38 days in a row. Done. Feeling amazing today. Great training session. We're getting ready to go to San Francisco for that conference. I'm just ironing my shirt and pant. Cold shower thoughts for today. Basically, like I said yesterday, you got to cherish the days that you feel great, and you got to stack those wins. You got to win a little bit more every single day. At least win at something. Even on the days you feel like shit, win at the bare minimum. But on the days you feel great, keep stacking the wins. Keep stacking the wins. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Over time, you're going to go from here to here. Just keep stacking them more. Focus on winning. Not on the lose, not on the losses. A lot of people keep focusing on losses. They're like, I'm taking these many L's. Oh, man, life's shit. No. You got to focus on the wins. You got to focus on the positivity. You got to keep going. All right. I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. I'll film a little bit of the conference. It's going to be awesome. What's up, everybody? We're back. We went to the conference. It was fun. Met a lot of interesting vendors. Mainly looked into lighting solutions, illumination for, the wafers, to illuminate the wafer uniformly. So different light sources we can use. So it was interesting. But yeah, I just got back. I forgot about filming my day and just ended up eating a little bit, and now I'm gonna go to sleep. So that's day 38. It was a good day overall. Got a good training session in. I left my charger at the office, so I don't really know what meetings I have or anything, so a little bit stressful in that regard, but yep. Anyways, see you guys tomorrow. Day 38 done.